So we have this, right? This is in the form of a d squared plus k. So we have a vertex at 0k, which in this case is 2. Okay, and the a value is positive, so the parabola faces upwards. So a rough sketch of this graph is going to look like this. It's going to be 0, 2, right? And when d is equal to 1, right, you get 0.00037 plus 2. So it's going to be really small, but really it's going to look something like this, okay? Okay, so we know that the vertex here is going to be 0, 2, and the next point, which is very, very close to here. Whoops, let me just redraw this side. Right, if this is -1, it needs to intersect here. Okay, and then this point is given to be 1 and 2.00037. Okay, so we got this. This is D versus H. Okay, so what is the distance from the road to the lowest point of the cable? The lowest point of the cable is going to be the vertex, right? So we're talking about this distance here. We know the vertex is at 0, 2, right? So then from the road to the vertex, the distance is 2 meters, okay? Now, what is the maximum height of the towers above the road, right? To the nearest tenth of a meter. So we want to figure out, right, the height here, or in other words, the y value of the parabola here, okay? What you need to note is that the distance from one tower to the other is 1280. Okay, so if I divide this by 2, right, what I get is 640 being the distance between the lowest point to the tower here. And if this is 500, right, and this is 640, if I plug in 640 into my distance here, right, I'll get the y value of how high the cable is. But the cable is the same height as the tower at this exact point. Okay, so then for C, all I have to do, right, is plug in for the distance 640. Okay, and if you calculate this, you get 153.5 meters high. Okay. Now for D, at a horizontal distance of 200 meters from the center of the bridge, so that's around here, right, how high is the cable above the road? Okay, so that really is asking for the y value of this cable, right, which we have this equation for, right? This is the height of the cable, right, depending on what the distance is from this point here. Okay, so we just have to plug in for 200, right? So then we get h is equal to 0.00037 times 200 squared plus 2, and you get approximately 16.8 meters tall.